So this is how you can organize your life with ClickUp. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for ClickUp. Today you will learn how to organize your life with this website. So yes, I mean it. You can even organize your life. For example, you can add your hobbies that you want to do, that you want to learn, or basically just your daily tasks, your to-do list. And yeah, ClickUp is a very reliable organizing website where you can organize tasks for certain members. Maybe if you're in a business, you can go ahead and assign tasks to different employees. But in this subject, we're going to try and organize your life in ClickUp. So I'm just going to add a quick list in our team space, and I'm going to name it my daily routine. So here we are in our daily routine list. Now we can add a task. For example, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when waking up? Mine is brushing my teeth, so I'm just gonna put brush as an example. And once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and tap on complete, and that's another task done for the day. So it's actually very simple to organize with whatever in ClickUp. Once again, let's try adding a new task, for example, breakfast, because that is also one of the things you do when you first wake up. So you can put it on in progress, and once you're done, you can put it on complete. And yeah, there is a million ways on how to organize your life, and this is just one of them. Adding lists to your daily routine or nightly routine. Maybe you can do some skincare and some jogging. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.